Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Strategic Swing Trader weekly video. I hope you are doing well. My name is Sami Abusad. I'm the Director of Education here at T3 Live. We're going to do what we always do, which is go over the charts, go over the market, and go over some swing ideas for next week. But before I do that, as always, a standard required disclaimer to let you know that trading is risky and that whatever we discuss today is for educational purposes only. Also, if you'd like to download a copy of my free ebook, link is in the description for that. Again, link is in the description to download a copy of my free ebook. But let's go ahead and get started by taking a look at the market, and then we'll go over, as I said, some of those swing ideas that I like for tomorrow, Monday. If you find benefit in today's video, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button below. Now, the market is looking bullish, pushing higher. The Qs is up, almost at the all-time highs. The SPY is at the all-time highs. The IWM keeps making new all-time highs. So everything is bullish. Of course, I'm aware of the news that came out over the weekend about Los Angeles issuing a 3-week lockdown, about the, all the negative news. But the truth is, the market has disregarded that for 6 months now, over 6 months, completely disregarded the news. So barring a gap down in the market, again, barring a gap down in the market tomorrow, I'm going to be bullish. I plan to be bullish because the charts tell me so. The charts are really, really bullish. Okay? Now on to the swing ideas for tomorrow. First, I got APM. That looks good as a breakout. Okay? Over, I don't know what the exact number is for it. It looks like it's over 250. That's 249. I'd give it to 251. That would be the entry. And the stop, we can often get the stop by looking at the hourly chart. As you can see, we have a base. So just under the base, that's where the stop goes. Next on the list is blue. Had a breakout a couple weeks ago, and now it's doing a daily buy setup. So I like it a lot. Over 306, stop under 280. Okay? So a penny above, a penny below on the blue. If you'd like to get a copy of if you don't want to type up the symbols, I copied and pasted them in the description of the video. So just go to the description, copy them, paste them into your watch list. I'm just trying to make it easy for you, okay? BVXV as a breakout over the base, stop under it. Now, again, in order to know what the exact number is, just go and find the highest high in the base. It looks like it's about that's too high, 370. Let me open up the chart real quick here. It would be over 328, 331, 335, sorry, 335. That would be the entry. Stop below, okay? Below the base. The chart is a bit squished because of the large gap down that we had last month. That's why. CATB is already triggered, but still looks higher. It would need to take out 163 with the stop should go under 140, 141 to be exact. And target, I would say 225. In fact, the exact target for target 1 would be 188, and then maybe target 2, 225 on the CATB. CRBP, a lot of these transition A plays I'm noticing. Notice, the blue, the BVXV, the CATB, they're almost all the same pattern. Now, I didn't pick and choose what patterns the market made available to me, but that's what the market is making available to us, it looks like. So CRBP, another low price stock that had a large gap down that appears to be wanting to go higher. The entry for this would be just over the base. So let's take a look over this pivot right here, which is $1.28. The stop would be under the base. I don't know what the exact stop is. It's $1.15. If you're a subscriber to my Strategic Swing Trader program, feel free to log on to your customer portal account, to your T3 Live account, and take a peek at the 3 plays that I picked for us, for my own account, for tomorrow. I picked 3 plays out of all of this, okay? If you would rather not do that and wait for the email to go out, it will hit your inbox before 8 o'clock East Coast time tomorrow morning. So giving you over an hour and a half to put in those orders in the system if you'd like to follow my plays. But for now, let's continue. So the CRBP as a long over $1.28, stop under the base right here. Next on the list is the CTRM, another low price stock. This is a penny stock, really, 15 cents. The entry for this would be over this pivot right here, over that bar's high, and then the stop is under it. So it would be over 17.50, 17.5 cents, stop under 14. So it's just a 3.5 cent stop. Now the stock is very liquid, so it should be able to handle any kind of volume you throw at it. And target is 40 cents. It's pretty big target. GEVO, another low price stock. This one has an hourly breakout. So GEVO long over 216. Stop, I would put it under 190 and target the prior high, which is at 287 on the GEVO. Next on the list is the Lmnl, another low price stock. And then the entry for this would be over 430, stop under 388 and target about 550. So it's a daily buy setup. Next is SELB. Now SELB looks amazing on the monthly chart. Check it out. Looks beautiful. Transition A on the monthly chart. The daily doesn't look as good, but I still think it's worth a shot over the base, over 349, let's say 351, with a stop under 306, maybe $3. That gives you a 50-cent stop, and it would be a long-term play, not a short-term swing trade, but a long-term core position. Okay, that's the SELB. Last but not least is the Tcda, and I like it as a transition A breakout on the daily chart with an entry over 776 and the stop under $7. And the target, I mean, minimum $10. It could easily get to $12.50, maybe even more. So this one has a lot of upside potential. They all do, honestly. The bearish list, not much of a bearish list for this week, okay? Or at least for tomorrow, for Monday. I scan every day. I just do this video once a week on the weekend. This list is actually just for Monday. Now, a lot of times, some of these plays don't trigger on Monday, so I take a look at them also for Tuesday, for Wednesday, right? But the truth is, I scan every day after the close, and I generate a brand new watch list. But I don't want to do this video every single day, so I just do it once a week on the weekend. So you're just getting my list for tomorrow, for Monday. I'm noticing that some of these retail stocks like Capri, Macy's, I don't know, Urban Outfitters, URBN, a lot of these retail stocks are looking a little bearish, looking like they want to pull back a little bit. We also saw the Gap store gap down, right? GPS, LB looks a little lower. Don't like it that much. That's why it's not on my list. Urban is already pulling back. That's why these three are not on my list, really. But I just wanted to tell you that a lot of these retail stocks, clothing stores, apparel stores, look like they're ready to pull back. And Capri, CPRI, looks lower, under 35.70 with a stop over, you could put it over 37.70 or over $38 to be safe. Target being, I would target 31.67. Okay? That would be my target on the CPRI. DPW is a little different. It's an hourly base breakdown. I don't know if I have this available, but under the base, short, stop above it. So it's under 605 by 650. Okay? On 640, that is. LOW is a daily sell setup. It rallied a lot. This recently, it rallied a lot. That's a little too strong. But under the base, stop above it, and the target is the prior pivot low. Okay? On the LOW. And last but not least is Macy's, had a huge run up and now appears to want to roll over. I don't like it as much as the CPRI, but it's similar pattern. So the entry for this would be just under Friday's low, which is 10.57. Stop above the pivot, above the highs, and target, I would target this bar's low, which is 9.32. Okay, well, that should do it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you have any questions, just send us an email, info@t3live.com. Again, info@t3live.com. If you found benefit in today's video, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and have a spectacular trading week next week. Ciao, everybody. Take care.